In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Jotform form into your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to integrate forms and streamline your data collection process directly on your site. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by accessing your form within the Jotform platform. Open the Jotform form builder, where you'll find all of your current forms. Once you're there, draw your attention to the top of the page and locate the Publish button. This is the gateway to sharing your form with the world, and it's essential for embedding it into your Wix site. After you click Publish, you'll notice a menu on the left side. Here, you want to select the Platforms tab. This section is particularly useful, as Jotform has made it easy to integrate your forms with a variety of platforms, including Wix. Peruse the list until you find Wix, and give it a click. By doing so, Jotform will generate an iframe code specifically for this platform, which is exactly what we need. Go ahead and copy this iframe code, as it's the key to embedding your form. Now let's switch gears and move over to the Wix editor. You'll want to navigate to the specific page where you plan to embed your form. This ensures that the form appears exactly where your visitors will expect to find it. On the left-hand menu of the Wix editor, you'll see an Add Elements button marked with a plus sign. Click on it to open up options for various elements you can add. In the search bar that appears, type Embed HTML, which will guide you to the Embed section. This is where we need to be to place the Jotform code. When you select Embed HTML, a new widget will appear on your page. You might see a couple of options like Enter Code or Settings. Press the button that allows you to enter or modify code. Should you be prompted, make sure to select the code option. This setting is crucial because it ensures that you are inserting the right type of content. In the designated area under Add Your Code here, HTTPS only, paste the Jotform code you copied earlier. Be sure to check that the code is complete and accurate, as this will impact how well the form functions on your site. After pasting, you'll want to hit Update or Apply, depending on what your interface says. This action commits your changes and moves us to the next step. Now, it's time to fine-tune the appearance. Adjust the size of the embed box so that your form is displayed clearly and comfortably without cutting off any part of it. Every adjustment makes a difference in user experience. The last step in this process is to save and publish your Wix page. By doing so, your form will go live, ready for users to interact with. Congratulations, you've successfully embedded a Jotform form into your Wix website. And there you have it, a smooth and efficient way to integrate forms on your site using Jotform and Wix. Thanks for watching, and